In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off video camera in Microsoft Teams meeting. To get started, open Microsoft Teams in your web browser and go to the Teams meeting page. You can do this by signing in and navigating to the meeting you are about to join, or the meeting you are already in. Once the meeting screen loads, take a moment to look near the bottom of the window. This is where Microsoft Teams places the main meeting controls, including your microphone and camera options. Now, focus on the camera control. In Teams, your video button looks like a small camera icon. When your camera is on, this control appears active, and you may also see your own live video preview on the screen. To turn off your video camera, click the camera icon one time. As soon as you click it, your video will stop sharing with other participants. Your self view will either disappear or switch to a placeholder image, depending on your settings and the meeting layout. If you are not in the meeting yet and you are on the pre-join screen, the same camera icon is available there as well. Clicking it before you join is a good habit when you want to enter the meeting with your camera already off. This helps you control what others see the moment you join. After you have turned the camera off, confirm it is disabled by checking the camera icon again. It should look switched off or no longer highlighted. This visual check is important because it tells you your video is not being broadcast. At any time, if you decide you want to turn your video back on, you can click the same camera icon again to re-enable it. Teams makes this toggle quick, so you can switch between on and off as needed during the meeting. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.